Welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This is a step-by-step guide for home modification services providers in Montana, focusing on enhancing accessibility and independence for individuals with disabilities or chronic conditions within their homes. These essential services, which include installing ramps, widening doorways, modifying bathrooms and kitchens, and enhancing safety, are authorized under Montana Medicaid Home and Community-Based Services waiver programs, specifically the Big Sky Waiver, Comprehensive Waiver for Individuals with Developmental Disabilities, Traumatic Brain Injury Waiver, Community Supports Waiver for Adults with Physical Disabilities, and Children's Autism Waiver. The Montana Department of Public Health and Human Services administers Medicaid waiver funding, with oversight from its Developmental Disabilities Program and federal guidance from Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. To become a provider, agencies must complete an application through the Montana Medicaid Provider Enrollment Portal, submit required documentation including contractor licenses and insurance, and undergo a program readiness review to receive approval and Medicaid enrollment. Waiver Consulting Group provides full support to help you launch compliant home modification services across Montana. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.